'Twas in the county Sligo, near Connacht town. Once dwelled a great musician, a man of high renown. His name was Michael Coleman, as you may understand. The master of the fiddlers throughout old Ireland. So that was a song called The Ballad of Michael Coleman, a composition by Josie McDermott from a place called Caoimhe, just outside Ballyfarnan on the Sligo June Roscommon border. So Josie McDermott, I suppose, would be more commonly known to listeners maybe as flute and whistle player, but he also was a singer and would have composed lots of songs and tunes, and this is one of his compositions, and he has composed many's a nice song and tune, and thankfully they're filtering their way and have been accepted into the tradition of Irish music. Compositions of Josie McDermott are songs that I actually have particularly enjoyed learning and enjoy singing and performing them. I think they kind of put across to people the history that's there for our ancestors and kind of tell the story of, like the Ballad of Michael Coleman, where it tells the story of Michael's life essentially from when he would have travelled from a small place in Gertrude to New York over in America. The song is really a great way of capturing the essence of the landscape, and definitely within the songs that Josie composed, he would have mentioned certain parts of, I suppose, the beautiful coastlines of Sligo, our mountains, our lakes, rivers and woodlands, and I suppose many songs are composed in that manner, and it actually, as a singer, it makes it very nice to be able to empathise and get into the actual environment of the song, where it's from. There are 6 verses in this particular song, but one I feel is of great poignancy is the one that depicts the passing of Michael Coleman and that he's no longer with us. Alas, this great musician no longer does survive. We regret to say he passed away in 1945, but we treasure still his music, for no matter where you roam, you find a disc of Coleman in